Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. So in last video we have completed question number first and second of exercise 1.3a from class 10 optional math. So in today's video we are going to do question number 3, which is find the first term of the arithmetic sequence under the following condition. So we have been provided some condition and we have to find the a, that means the first term of the given arithmetic sequence. So what is given is common difference d is equal to 3, last term tn is equal to 29 and number of terms n is equal to 10. So simply here in such type of question we just have to use the formula for finding the last term, that is nth term. So let's start. Solution given, first thing is we have to write the given part. Given, what is given? D is equals to 3, Tn is equals to 29 and n is equals to 10. So these all values are given to us. Now we know Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 d, right? Implies, now start putting the value of Tn, a and not a, d and n over here. The value of Tn is 29 equals to a is not given, which we have to find, and n is 10 minus 1 multiplied by d is 3. So we have just written the given value in formula. Now start simplifying. Now this is equal to 29 equals to a plus 10 minus 1 is 9 multiplied by 3, right? Now this is 29 equals to a plus 9 3 27. Okay, 3 times of 9 is 27. And friend, don't forget to use the BODMAS concept, because many a time I have seen people doing the addition first and then multiplying the result with 3, but this is the wrong case, right? First we have to give priority to multiplication and after that we have to do addition. So I have done the same. So this is equals to, now we have to find the value of a only. So what we have to do is simply transfer this 27 to left hand side, since it is positive, so when it comes here it turns to negative, that is 27 equals to a. So this is simply equals to 2, right? A is equals to 2. So this is the value of the first term, that is a. I hope this is clear. So we have two more parts to do. So let's see the next question. So I have just written this second question over here. So the question is providing us common difference last term and number of term as in question number first. So first thing is we just have to note it down what is being provided. Solution given d is equals to minus 1 by 2, tn is equals to minus 2 and n is equals to 15, right? So these are the thing which has been provided. Now simply we have to apply the formula. Now we know tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 d, right? Implies in place of tn it is minus 2 equals to a is not given, we have to find it, n is 15 minus 1 multiplied by d is minus 1 by 2, right? Now this is equals to minus 2 equals to a plus 15 minus 1 is 14 multiplied by minus 1 by 2. Now if we simplify this one, you get minus 2 equals to a plus, this is minus 7, right? 2 times 7 2 times of 7 is 14, right? So we have plus into minus minus, yes, we have done it correct. Now simply we have to find the value of a, that means we have to transfer, so I am doing over here. So we have to transfer this -2 to left hand side, then it becomes plus 7 equals to a. So this is 7 minus 2, which is 5. Okay, that means a is equals to 5. The value of a is equals to 5. So this is also completed. Now we have the last question. Let's see. So friend, I have just noted the question number 3 of, that means third part of question number 3. So as in two question, again we have been given common difference, last term and number of term. Here in this case, what we have to do is, again we have to first write the given information, solution. Now this is given. What is given? D is equals to 4 by 5. Tn is equals to 16 whole 1 by 2. Now here in this case we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, right? So it is equals to 16 multiplied by 2 is 32 plus 1 33 divided by 2. So this is the improper fraction equals to this one, this mixed fraction. And at last we have, and n is equals to 21. So all these three values are being provided. Now what we have to do is, again we have to apply the formula and we will get the answer. Now we know Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, this is the formula. Now start putting the value of Tn, n and d over here. So the value of Tn is 33 by 2 equals to, a is not given, which we have to find, n is 21 minus 1 multiplied by d is 4 by 5, right? So we have just written all the values. Now we have to do this simplification. 33 by 2 equals to a plus 20 multiplied by 4 by 5 implies 33 by 2 equals to a plus, now since this 5 will divide this 20, so 4 times of 5 is 20, so 4 4 16. Now implies 33 by 2, we have to find the value of a, so we have to transfer this 16 to left hand side, which is this. Okay, since it is positive over here, so when we shift it over LHS, it becomes negative. Now this is simply equals to, if there is nothing, then you can assume it 1. Now if you take the LCM of 2 and 1, it will be 2, right? 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 multiplied by 33 is 33, same, minus 2 divided by 1 is 2, and 2 times of 16 is 32 equals to a, implies 33 minus 32 is 1 divided by 2 equals to a. So this is the final answer of this third part. So we have done all the three questions. The answer of first part is a equals to 2, and that of second one is a equals to 5, and last one is a equals to 1 by 2. I hope this video helps you in understanding this question number 3, and if it was helpful to you, then please do subscribe my channel, like it and share it with your friends, so that they too can get benefit from my channel. And wish to see more like this video, and if you wish to see more like more of such video, then you can simply comment it down, or you can also comment about where you are having doubt. So only this much for today. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.